Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn CSS easily. First, grasp the fundamental concept of CSS, which stands for Cascading Style Sheets. It's what makes your web pages look good, controlling colors, fonts, and layout. Begin by understanding how CSS connects to HTML, typically through external style sheets. Then, familiarize yourself with basic selectors like class and ID, and common properties such as color, font size, and margin. Start with simple styling exercises. Next, dive into core concepts that are crucial for effective styling. The CSS box model is fundamental. It explains how elements occupy space with content, padding, borders, and margins. Then, explore layout techniques like Flexbox and CSS Grid. These are powerful tools for creating responsive designs that adapt to different screen sizes. Also, grasp the concepts of specificity and the cascade to understand how browser determines which styles to apply. Consistent practice is key to solidifying your CSS skills. Start building small, personal projects from scratch. This hands-on experience helps you apply what you've learned in a practical context. Utilize online code editors like CodePen or JS Fiddle for quick experimentation and sharing. A great exercise is to try recreating the visual design of simple websites you admire. This challenges you to think about how different styles are achieved. Once you're comfortable with the basics, consider exploring more advanced CSS topics. Dive into animations and transitions to add dynamic visual effects to your web pages. Learning about CSS preprocessors like SAS or LESS can significantly streamline your workflow and make your style sheets more maintainable. Remember, the web development community is a fantastic resource for learning and support. Check the description for a link to Little Trees Black Ice and other great deals to keep your car fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.